Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Roblox and you keep getting this error, join error, you do not have permission to join this experience with error code 524, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Roblox easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to go on to roblox.com, and here what you're going to do is you're going to click at the top right corner of your page. So go into this settings icon, click settings in, and then you're going to click on to privacy and content restrictions. You're going to go into visibility and private service. You're going to go into private service then. You're going to set this to everyone. And once you set this to everyone, everyone can invite you to their servers and you can join everyone's servers. You will not get that join error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.